Welcome to our channel. Capital One's CreditWise tool includes a score simulator that helps you understand how different financial actions might impact your credit score. Follow these step-by-step instructions to use this valuable feature. Step 1. Visit the CreditWise website at www.creditwise.com or download the CreditWise app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Create a free CreditWise account if you don't already have one. You don't need to be a Capital One customer to use this service. Step 3. Provide your personal information, including name, address, social security number, and date of birth for identity verification. Step 4. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard where you can see your current credit score and credit report summary. Step 5. Look for the Score Simulator or Score Planner tool, which is typically featured prominently in the app or website menu. Step 6. Select the scenario you want to simulate, such as opening a new credit card, paying down credit card debt, or missing a payment. Step 7. Enter specific details for your scenario, such as how much debt you plan to pay off or the credit limit of a new card you're considering. Step 8. Click Simulate or Calculate to see how your chosen action might impact your credit score over time. Step 9. Review the results, which show potential score changes and explain which factors contribute to the estimated impact. Step 10. Experiment with multiple scenarios to compare different financial strategies and understand which actions would most benefit your credit score. Step 11. Remember that the simulator provides estimates based on typical patterns, and your actual results may vary depending on your complete credit profile. Step 12. Use these insights to make informed decisions about credit management and develop a plan to improve your credit score strategically. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.